welcome to the Stamp Anything YouTube channel. I am Kevin, and as you can see, this month is February 2024 of the release, and our release is all about Back to the Future, an iconic movie series. So we have our brand new characters this month. We have Marty, we have Doc, and we have Marty's mom, Lorraine, because we could not forget her. No. So this has been an awesome set. It's super fun, and let's dive in and take a look right now. So first up, we're going to look at our very first stamp, and that is Marty hovering by to say, "You're so McFly." So I took all the stamps out of the packaging so you wouldn't have a reflection from the cellophane on them, so you can see it a little bit better. And then you can see right here on the screen to the right that you can just use the QR code and scan it if you want to, and it will take you right to the website to purchase the stamp. Now, of course, our stamps, we also make outline dies. So we have the Marty hovering by to say outline die. So they come in orange and they will cut your stamp precisely out for you. So no fussy cutting needed. Next up, we have Doc Great Scott, and his sentiments are Great Scott and hope your day is 1.21 gigawatts of fun. Well, I think some balloons just flew up there and I don't even know how that happened. That was kind of hilarious. So there is our Great Scott stamp. And of course, he wouldn't be complete unless he had an outline die as well. So the Doc Great Scott outline die, and again, you can just scan that QR code and go right to our website. Next up, we have Marty's mom, Lorraine, "You're so dreamy." So, and that is her sentiment. Her sentiment is, "You're so dreamy." She is super duper cute and adorable. Love her little cardigan top and a little skirt there. Definitely cute. And of course, she has an outline die as well right here. Now, every month we do come out with a stencil with our set, and this month's stencil is a retro half circles stencil. Makes a cute background design that you'll see in some of our card examples that are coming up. Also, each month we have a word die, and this month's word die is HB to you, or happy birthday to you. So this is the word die right here. And again, we'll see some examples in our cards. And of course, no Back to the Future set could be complete without, of course, a DeLorean car builder die. If we didn't do this, what good would we be? None. So of course, we had to have this awesome DeLorean car builder die. It is my favorite. Who did not just love that car? And it's a time machine. Like, come on, it was awesome. So let's take a look at some of our wonderful examples by our design team. So first up, I'm going to show you this card, which is featuring Marty. This is by Sandra in Germany on our design team. And if you want to find her name right here is @AddictedToCreativity on Instagram. So it is a super cute card. She made a shaker card, and you can see here the happy birthday to you word die, Marty, and she used the outline die to cut him out. Next up is a card by Marilyn @OneStampingFool on Instagram, and hovering by to say, "You're so McFly." So right now you can see that she used a monochromatic background and she used the retro half circle stencil, and it looks super cute on this card with Marty. Then of course, who can forget Doc? Doc is seen here with that amazing DeLorean car builder die, and this card is by Betty Lim Silvernail, or @BLimSilvernail at Instagram. So you can find her there and follow her there, but I just love this card. I love the background. I love that lightning back there. It's just so perfect with him holding his little remote control to guide the car into the future. Next up is a card by Stephen Croft, or @StephenCroft at Instagram. He here used the happy birthday to you word sentiment, or word die, sorry, that Great Scott, hope your day is 1.21 gigawatts of fun sentiment. And he actually did his background using the jelly plate and some acrylic paints and those awesome tire treads there. So you can just imagine that card just sped away. Next up, we have a cute little card, again featuring the DeLorean card builder and Lorraine here, and the Happy Birthday to You word die. And this is by Valeska. And you can find her at Crafting Love W on Instagram. So love this card, love the bright colors, so cute. And finally, we have another card by Marilyn, or at One Stamping Fool on Instagram, and she used the Happy Birthday to You word die, but she didn't use the base, and she placed that under the window for the shaker card, and I just love shaker cards and glitter, so I love this card, and her dress is so cute. That yellow and the little polka dots is absolutely adorable. So again, all these can be found on our website. I love this new release. I can't wait to see what everybody comes up with in regards to making cool Back to the Future cards. So let's talk about some other things. So if you haven't known, you can join our stamp club. So our stamp club comes in 3 levels, and the first level is basic, where you can get 3 new images each monthly release, 15% store-wide discount, and it includes first-class shipping with USA and Canada. And you can join that club by scanning that QR code or going to our website. Next up is our standard level, and our standard level includes the 3 new images each month, 3 coordinating image outline dies, so you get their matching dies, the same 15% site-wide discount, and includes your first class shipping again within USA and Canada. And then next up is our deluxe level. So our deluxe level that's your premier subscription. So that is where you get the 3 new images each month. You get the 3 coordinating image outline dies for the monthly release. You get the word die, the stencil, and the builder die. As well, you get a 20% store-wide discount. You get all our digital images for free. You get a free birthday item in the month of your birthday. So it is an awesome, awesome deal. And finally, what I want to talk to you today about before we go is our Stencil Club. So Stencil Club is an awesome way to build up your stash of stencils. You get 3 new stencils every month. They are not the same ones that come with the monthly release. So that is $10, includes shipping, and they get sent out on the 15th of the month. So the stencils, again, are exclusive to club members, and you get some really awesome stencils for only $10 a month, and you get 3 stencils. Sometimes they're single stencils, just where it's like this. Sometimes they're layered stencils, so it all depends on the month, but they are super, super fun. So I just want to say thank you to everybody for joining me today to check out our brand new release, the Back to the Future release. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and I will see you next month for our February. This is February, so it'll be our March release. So thanks so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you again next time. Bye-bye.